you know the important questions to ask yourself before replacing a battery? What's the right battery technology for your vehicle? Maybe traditional SLI, EFB or AGM? And do you know that the replacement should be with a like-for-like battery? Installing the wrong technology or downgrading the technology can lead to premature battery failure and the loss of certain vehicle functionalities. Do you know that due to the complexity of a modern vehicle, its components must be reprogrammed after a battery replacement? Do you have the technical equipment that is likely needed and the knowledge necessary for this? Not doing the reprogramming procedure properly can cause error messages and the loss of certain features' functionality. Due to the absence of current, the stored values and settings have been lost and must be reassigned. Where is the battery on the vehicle? And how do you register the new battery? In today's cars, it can take a long time to try to find the location of the battery. In addition, many vehicles require an active registration of the new replacement battery that can only be done with the right tool. As you can see, during a battery replacement, there are so many things to consider. It's best to leave replacements on modern cars to the professionals. With the VARTA Partner Portal, which includes training courses, product information and support materials, VARTA provides workshops with a service that ensures optimal battery replacement and at the same time keeps them up to date on all aspects of batteries and battery technology. Now and in the future, if your car's battery needs to be replaced, we recommend visiting a VARTA Partner workshop to ensure a professional job is done. Find a professional workshop nearby on the website. It all starts with VARTA.